Maintenance Tradies of Australia, before you jump into the big ones, SEO, Google AdWords, you've got to start with Tradesformations low-cost marketing stack. The very first thing that we need to do is to get your database in order. That's the foundation of all of your marketing. Get your database in order, segment them between COD clients and B2B clients. Then we start with email marketing, and we set up 12 months of email marketing so it's set and forget. After we've done that, we start to look at your GMB, your Google My Business listings. Again, you don't need to outsource this. We can teach you exactly what to do. And then we start to look at local Facebook community pages. How can you sponsor it? How can you be the mayor of the town? How can you make sure that you have the complete community exclusive for you so you can get lots and lots of referrals? So we have database, email marketing, GMB, Facebook community pages, and that's just the beginning before we even start to look at some of the more expensive and complex marketing strategies.